On today's body cam, we're checking out entitled woman pushes police to their limits, ends badly.
You gotta call my parents. You gotta
Call your parents?
My parents don't care. Hey, y'all help me.
While investigating a traffic collision, officers are completely thrown off by this woman's bizarre behavior, which escalates into a forceful arrest when she refuses to comply.
How you doing? Officer King, Atlanta Police Department. So what happened?
So I was just merging. So actually, I was coming from right there. We're trying to thought I had enough space to merge back onto the highway.
One second. You're the other driver? Yeah, I'm just grabbing his statement. Just could you stay away so I got separate statements and everything?
Can I wait in the truck while you let that while he explains it?
What's that? Yeah, you can wait in the truck. I'll be over there just a second. Yeah. What's going on? So sorry. Start again.
No, you're fine. I hit my driver's side, so my whole mirror is off, and then something.
Okay.
Her side on the passenger. Okay. Right on the passenger side.
That sounds good. Yeah.
My sister's having a baby. Look.
She's having a baby right now?
Yes. Look.
Okay.
The officer speaks with the other driver, but has a hard time understanding anything she's saying. Things take a turn for the worse after he notices an odor of alcohol.
Both of sisters who be key.
Yeah.
Just reading that. See, extraordinary. That's all I gotta say. Sister's having a baby.
What happened?
I was going, come here, baby, to this side. He straight me from that side. We're gonna see. I wanted to stay where I needed to stay, but I didn't want them. I had to keep telling them and keep going on. You know? This is
Chevy Silverado.
This is for coming out.
What are you talking about? I'm not taking money.
But I appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is a rental. I was going here when he's straight.
Boy, you better be easy. Bribery. You better be easy with that, offering the cop money. Thank you for coming out. What do you think this is, man? You think he's a was it like a locksmith or the tow truck guys or something like that? You want to give him a tip?
Me. So I had moved out the way so they could get on the expressway because they was wondering. I put on my hazard lights. That's the first thing. And that's it. And now you're here.
Have you had anything to drink today?
Not too far.
Not too far? What does that mean?
I went to I went to the hospital. Mm-hmm. I got my accusation. My shoulder was out, but my coordination went on.
When you went to Wellstar, your shoulder was out, but your coordination wasn't on?
That was earlier today. Way earlier today.
Did you have anything alcoholic to drink at the lip shop?
No, there's none there.
Okay. Can you hand me your keys? I gotta check something out with the car.
But you gotta check out with the car.
I'm gonna make sure that the keys go to the vehicle.
No, you gotta do is check out my identification. Because if you don't, then I gotta call my family.
Why do you have your money out?
Because I was actually getting me orange juice, which I got from the store.
So why do you have your money out right now? Your wallet's right there. Why is your money out?
Because I was trying to keep it online. I'm glad you asked.
You're trying to keep it online, you said?
My money in line, like...
In line?
There's a 10, there's a 5. You put a 1 with a 1. You put a 5 with a 5, and you put 10 with 10. That's how keep your money in line.
And you're just doing that right now?
That's the money in line.
Okay.
So, I answer your question.
Okay.
So, you can answer it.
All right.
But,
give me just a second, okay?
Yeah.
Where are you coming from again?
I was coming from the West End Mall, and then...
What were you doing at the mall?
Well, the West End Mall was like, I wanted some oxtail.
You wanted what?
Oxtail.
You wanted oxtail at the what mall? The West?
It was right there by...
Man, she not even sitting up high enough. There's no way she's seeing over that steering wheel and that dash. Like, yo. She's not even sitting up high enough. No way, man. And she's intoxicated. And her, she went to get her acquisition and all of that, but her coordination was off. But her coordination was off. When you mix all that together, with some alcohol and everything, man, this is what you get, man. You going to jail. Oh man, you going to jail, boy.
The West Wells Fargo, where I do my banking business at. So that's where I went. So I went to West End Mall to get that. I got a ticket for that.
Is it West Center Mall, you're saying? West Center? Okay. You went to get oxtail at West Center Mall, then what?
And then we came back home.
And you came
You
back
went to
home?
get
So
oxtails.
are you coming from home or are you coming from the West Center Mall?
Western Mall.
You come from the West Center Mall, but you just said you went back home. Why'd you say that?
Yeah, going back home from the Western Mall.
You're going back home
That's
from
why
the
I
West
said
Center
that.
Mall.
Yeah.
When did you go to the doctor?
Doctor I went to earlier, like 9, between 9 and 12.
9 and 12?
Well, sir.
You went to Wellstar between 9 and 12.
Right.
9 a.m. and 12 p.m.
They
today?
told me I have to eat with the medication they gave me.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I went.
What medication did they give you?
Ibuprofen.
Ibuprofen?
800, and also the other muscle spasm.
Come on, step out and come over to this line with me.
Let me shoot a shot.
So you said you have the medical issue with your shoulder.
This is pointing test on.
Do you have
got
any?
your ID, you got everything visual.
Yeah, so I just need
Okay,
that.
let's get the visual.
So
Please, let's take it to visual. That means form M line. You got to do a test. Come on, young blood. Do it well.
do you have any injuries with your shoes or your feet or your legs
No,
or anything?
I'm ready.
You don't have
Let's do
you don't have
what
any
gotta do.
you don't have any injuries that
I
would
gotta
prevent you
walk
from
straight.
being able to walk?
No, I don't have any of it.
No injuries that would prevent you
I
from
don't
being able
have.
to
I
walk.
got on the dress, baby.
What would a dress have to do with injuries?
The dress show. I ain't got on nothing. Let's do the test.
So
She said she ready, young blood. You ain't listening? She ain't got none of that. She got a dress on, baby. I'm ready, young blood. What? Just tell me what to do. I gotta walk in a straight line. Just tell me what to do, man. I'm ready. In her mind, she is going to ace this exam, man. She's gonna ace it, pass with flying colors.
come stand over here for me. You don't need to. I'm not doing the test yet.
Yourself or what?
I'm not doing the test yet. I need you to come start over here.
Just walk there.
Yes, ma'am. Can you face this direction along this line?
With facing my whole body that way.
Yeah. So,
Right.
can you stand right on the edge of this white line? See this line it makes between the black asphalt and the white asphalt? Like right here? Do you see this
Like you see?
line right
No,
here?
ask a question. I must be not like you see.
Yeah,
here?
so can you put that white line between your feet? Just like this?
This is my right foot. My right foot is on that white line.
You see how my feet are right now? Where
Right foot on white line. White
Yeah.
foot.
So
it's
I'm-
not going on.
I'm asking you to put your feet like mine are, where one foot is on the white and one foot is on the black.
Like that.
And I'm gonna ask you questions along the way to make sure that you understood what I asked, okay? Understood what I gave you, understood the instructions. I want you to put your right foot in front of your left foot with the heel of your right foot against the toe of your left foot. You're gonna take a series of small steps to turn around.
Okay. I got. Take it out. He said, look.
Left
Defeat
starting position.
My nephew. 9 steps, baby. 9 steps.
Once you're turned, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps back in the direction you came. Again, I'm gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna do 3.
Let me just see first.
I'm gonna do 3, and you're gonna do 9. Okay? Can you get back on that line I was talking about earlier, where one foot is on the black and one foot is on the white? Now you're gonna stand straight, with your feet together, and place your arms down by your side. Don't move from this position until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? You're gonna lift your foot up, keep it parallel. I haven't told you to start, I'm demonstrating. You're going to lift your foot up and keep it parallel to the ground. You're gonna count out loud, and you're going to watch your foot. Do you understand?
Count out loud, watch my foot.
Exactly that. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000.
While I'm walking.
You don't need to walk. I never said anything about walking. All I said was just raise a foot
Hold
and
it
watch
out.
it.
Say one,
I didn't ask you to leave the starting position.
Let me get it understood. Once I hold it out, I say 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. This option.
I can give you the instructions again if you would like me to. So you're going to stand in the starting position with your hands by your side. When I tell you to do so, you're going to lift one of your feet off the ground and keep it parallel with the ground.
1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000,
Okay.
The doctor told me I gotta breathe in between time. I was known to be on your crack. They told me I gotta breathe. I take it well. I gotta breathe a little bit.
Okay. I understand.
Well, I'm done.
All right, man. Go ahead and place your hands behind your back.
Yeah, breathe your ass in these handcuffs, man. We gonna breathe. Yeah, okay, you gotta breathe. The doctor told you gotta breathe. Yeah, breathe your ass on up in these handcuffs.
Okay.
For what? You gotta call my parents. You gotta call my parents. Stop. You gotta call my parents. You gotta call my parents. Stop. You gotta call my parents. You gotta call my parents.
Do not bite me.
I passed those tests. Hey, y'all help me. I passed this test.
Anyway, how do you want to revisit?
Shit. What are y'all doing? What's this? I ain't did that shit to him. I ain't did that shit. He had me. He had me. He had me, y'all. He had me. We gotta call. Get out for me. Get out for her.
Christ.
You got him cut?
Get up.
Get out.
Get up.
Shit. Shit.
Alright, the vehicle, we'll let ready what you got going.
Get in the car.
Wow.
Did she actually bite you?
I felt her teeth. She didn't bite down and get leave a mark on me anywhere. Yeah, it was like here. She didn't actually. No, she didn't actually break skin or anything.
Okay.
But I felt her teeth on my wrist.
Gotcha.
The suspect was arrested for driving under the influence, resisting arrest, and battery on an officer. Leave a like.
Subscribe, let the 808 slide.